Hi traders, welcome to Scalpers Club. Hi viewer, today we are discussing how a non-resident Indian can trade in the Indian share market. Here, we clearly explain the step-by-step process to start trading and investing in the stock market by a NRI. Who is a non-resident Indian? We are not going to give the exact definition of non-resident and resident as per the Act. But in simple terms, non-resident Indian (NRI) means a person resident outside India, who is a citizen of India, or is a person of Indian origin. An NRI can open two types of rupee-denominated accounts in India: NRE account or non-resident external, and NRO account or non-resident ordinary. To start trading or investing in India, NRIs have two different routes. One is PIS route or Portfolio Investment Scheme route, and the second is non-PIS route. Portfolio Investment Scheme or PIS is the scheme of RBI, through which NRIs and PIOs can purchase and sell shares and convertible debentures of Indian companies on a recognized stock exchange in India. All their transaction needs to route through this PIS account. Mainly there are three main steps to follow to open a PIS trading and Demat account. First, we should have a NRE or NRO account. If you do not have a NRE or NRO account, you can open one. Then the next step is to request a PIS permission letter from the same bank from where you opened the NRE or NRO account. It may take 6 to 7 days. Then the bank opened a PIS account in your name. After obtaining the PIS permission letter from bank, we can submit it along with all the required documents to a SEBI registered broker. NRI can get two distinct permission letters. One for on a repatriation basis, which is NRE PIS account, and other for a non-repatriation basis, which is NRO PIS account. Now, we just explained the process for PIS trading and Demat account opening for NRI. Please don't feel complicated. You can visit any of the SEBI registered brokers like Zerodha, IIFL, ProStock, Fires, etc. They will do these steps for you, including the NRE or NRO account opening. You just need to submit the KYC documents to the broker. You can visit brokers online or offline mode. At the end of the video, we will explain the KYC documentation also. Next, we discuss about the non-PIS route for opening the trading and Demat account by an NRI. This is also known as NRO non-PIS account. As the name indicates, we can only open this with an NRO account. And there is no need for a PIS permission letter from Reserve Bank. As compared to NRE NRO PIS account, trading in NRO non-PIS trading is less expensive. Now we can see how to open an NRO non-PIS trading and Demat account. Here, we can open it with an NRO account, so we need an NRO account. Then approach a SEBI registered broker for opening an NRO non-PIS account with the required KYC documents. Now we can see what all are the documents required for opening NRI trading and Demat account. Documents are all almost the same for both PIS and non-PIS trading and Demat accounts. Following are the documents required for opening a trading and Demat account by NRI. Self-certified copy of PAN card. Overseas address proof. It may be the copy of driving license, foreign passport, utility bills, bank statement of not older than 2 months, notarized copy of rent agreement, leave and license agreement, etc. Self-certified copy of Indian address proof. Passport size photograph. self-certified copy of valid passport with copy of valid visa. If you are a holder of foreign passport, self-certified copy of valid passport, copy of PO or OK card. Proof of bank account. It may be a cancelled check leaf or bank account statement of your NRO or NRI savings bank account. If your KYC is verified as an NRI, you don't need any attestation. We will provide the link to check your KYC status in description. If your KYC is not verified as an NRI, you will need to get the attestation of the PAN, passport and foreign address proof. This attestation can be done by authorized officials of overseas branches of scheduled commercial banks registered in India, public notaries, multinational banks having operations in India, Indian Embassy, Consulate General in the country of residence. Now, we can try to understand what is the difference between a PIS account and NRO non-PIS account. For opening a PIS account, you can open it by using your NRE or NRO account. But opening a non-PIS account, you can open only with an NRO account. For opening an NRI or NRO PIS trading and Demat account, which may take generally 7 to 8 days. But an NRO non-PIS account can be opened within a day. By using a PIS account, we can invest in the equity segment only and purchase shares on a delivery basis. But by using an NRO non-PIS account, apart from buying shares in the equity segment on a delivery basis, we can trade intraday as well as short sales in futures and options. Some brokers like Prostock allow NRO non-PIS holders to trade in intraday in equity. Next, we can compare the charges. In PIS trading account, when we buy and sell shares, the broker will charge brokerage and PIS bank will charge you an amount between Rs 100 to 500 depending on the value. But, in the case of the NRO non-PIS trading account, you don't need to pay anything to the intermediary bank for PIS account charges. You have to pay brokerage only. So in the case of a PIS account, you need to pay more charges. There are some common charges, will apply to both PIS and non-PIS accounts like STT, stamp duty, service tax, transaction charges, SEBI turnover charges. These are nominal charges only. So now the question is, as an NRI, what type of account we will open? If you want to trade like a resident, don't want to repatriate the fund, and wish to have fewer charges, you can go for an NRO non-PIS account. Suppose, an NRI trades in derivative markets, like equity futures and options. They need to open a custodial participant code or CP code. Most of the cases, the brokers have the tie-up for arranging the CP code. It will incur you additional charges based on the transaction and volume. Brokers like Shunya, Prostock, will take the CP code for you without additional charges. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. Comment below if you have any queries.